Please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, what's happening? I'm gonna have an opinion. Elite Extra Addiction. One card autograph guaranteed. Only have 5 cards per box. So let's see the one autograph I'll get, or here's that one card right here. What it looks like. Back side. Sometimes these want to fight me sometimes. So just one card, one pack. First one ton. Bryce over. And the autograph. Actually, I thought it'd be autograph, but it's, Olympic team. Kind of unique. And the one autograph right here is done in dark. And once again, it comes with number 10. Same card with 10 out of 249. So that's pretty much it for the. And this one is numberized at 55 at 89. This one not numbered. So, yep, this only have what you expect from it. Autograph. It's not numbered. This one not numbered. So let me know what like and subscribe. It's for a video. I'm not telling how much I spent on this, but thanks for watching.